Greetings viewers, I am EricTheCarGuy. Do you have a 2008 Acura TL that needs a cabin air filter or an Accord of the same vintage? This video will walk you through the steps on how to replace that yourself. Start by opening the glove box. After you've unhooked the damper on the side, take both sides of the glove box and squeeze them in, and you can let the glove box swing down. It's held in by these hooks on either side. With the glove box out of the way, you now have access to these two screws and also these plastic clips. You can remove these plastic clips by depressing the center and then prying the clip out. I use a pocket screwdriver for this. You can now remove the two Phillips head screws, or you can also use an 8mm socket. Now that you have removed all four fasteners, you can remove the glove box assembly by pulling it straight out towards you. You must also disconnect two electrical connections. The blue one is the trunk release lockout, and the gray one is for the glove box light. With the glove box assembly removed, you now have access to the cabin air filter assembly located here. You can remove the cabin air filter assembly by simultaneously depressing these plastic tabs and pulling the assembly towards you. That is way cleaner than I expected. Now replace the filter assembly. Be mindful of any arrows indicating the direction of airflow and match them up when installing the new filter. This filter did not have any arrows indicating airflow direction, but it was obvious that the filter could only be installed in one direction. Install the new filter and glove box assembly opposite of what you did during removal. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connections before final installation of the glove box assembly. Before pushing the glove box assembly back in place, make sure all the plastic clips are lined up. Reinstall the two screws. Before reinstalling the plastic clips, you need to position them so they can go back into the hole. I do this by spreading apart the bottom and then pushing forward to get it past the catch so that the top is sticking out. And you'll see, so long as that little piece is fitting in that groove and the top is protruding out, the clip is ready to be reinstalled. When installing the clip, just push it into the hole. And if it doesn't want to go in, just move the end of the tab in and out a little bit, and it should go right in. And then push the center portion flush, and it's installed. Push in on the sides of the glove box to get it to go back into place. Don't forget to reinstall the hook for the glove box damper. And that's how you replace a cabin air filter in a 2008 Acura TL, also Accords of about the same vintage. I'll put information down in the description covering exactly what vehicles this procedure covers. If you have automotive questions not covered in this video, I ask that you head to EricTheCarGuy.com, which will also be linked down in the description. I'll also throw in some other cabin air filter replacement videos I've done down there as well. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate it when you do that stuff. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.